Welcome back to episode 3 of the restoration of the Ford Focus RS 2003 plate, which isn't actually a classic yet, but it will be a classic very soon. So, in the last episode, links in the description, we did all the fabrication on this car, we did full dinitrol treatment underneath, we did all the powder coating as well on this car, we got all the running gear back on the car, we pushed it into the paint shop. In this episode, hopefully we're going to get this painted if Steve is... gets his finger out and waves his magic wand all over the car. So this is going to be fully painted. We're going to roll it back onto the ramp, do the finishing touches underneath, and then hopefully start getting this car back together. Maybe even get it started. That's a big ask, but possibly, potentially, we can get it started. So, Steve, crack on.
Okay.
Right, we are ready for paint. Steve has done an amazing job on getting this car prepped. You might not see him, he's just off camera. So he's done an amazing job getting this all prepped and ready. This blue that you can see on the side is actually the primary. Mix some blue in there to make it easier to get the base and obviously to make it fade in, because if you do it with white or black, it's hard to get the colour. Anyway, so yeah, I'm going to stop talking. I'm going to let Steve get on with painting it, and yeah, should turn out nice.
Thank you very much.
Okay, right. It's 10 months later since we've touched this car. Now, the owner was waiting for the engine to be rebuilt. There's certain things that he needed that aren't supplied anymore. He was struggling to get the parts. But anyway, we were going to put the engine in this, get it all back together, bada bing, bada boom, get it driving. But this car is going to have to go without the engine. He's got the engine back where he lives, down south, which is a fair few hours from us. So it's better off if he finishes the build. But we're going to continue putting this car back together. So we've got the front support to put on, we've got this front apron to put on, we've got the bumper, and we've got the bonnet as well. So we're going to get everything as far as we can in this video, and then that will be the end of this series, because this car will go back to Paul, and he's going to build up the engine and everything else. So now we've cleaned the car off slightly. So now we're going to start putting things back together. The bumper, front core support, let's get it done. And there we have it. The Focus RS is finally done from our side. It's not fully done, like I say, still needs the engine, still needs all the front ends putting together properly. We've just bolted it together loosely, so it's good for transport, so Paul can obviously get it back. It can take all this back off, and then it can get the engine back in there, because you need the front core support off to get the engine in. Makes it easier. So we've spent about a day and a half flat and polishing this down, making it all nice and majestic, and like I say, it's done from our side. So that is the end of the Focus RS series. Sorry this video did take a long time, but you know, things happen. But anyway, that's a different story. So make sure you do check out our other videos. We've got more than 500 videos on our channel. Check them out, and make sure you like and subscribe. Get us on Instagram, Facebook as well, and we'll catch you in the next episode of whatever you guys watch.